particular case, you have text messages, you have pictures, you also have all of this coming together, and the fact that there was a strong denial at the very beginning, and now this results in evidence that contradicts much of what was said. And that's why you have so many people. You have two camps, like you said.
Yeah.
Some feel it's overzealous, some feel it's the right thing to do. However, politically, one is a distraction, two nurtures distrust in government, but that can be repaired over time. We shouldn't make one person the total example of an institution, but you have all the elements of sensationalism, power, and corruption.
And conversely, there are other people who were cheering this on or
Yes.
cheering this.
Yes,
debate.
there have been. Look, we talked about this with Dr. Lee and Dr. Chervenak, where you said, like, digital footprints are a new dynamic. But let me ask Pat this question. We unfortunately have a long history here of public corruption, not just in the city, but in the state. And look, you represented, I've pointed this out, Edwin Edwards, but we have seen a lot of people from Bill Jefferson to members of the New Orleans City Council go down with convictions. It's a different world, though, with digital media now, with WhatsApp and text messaging and digital technology. Does it make the Fed's job easier in a case like this?
It makes it easier, but it's because people serve themselves up. You know, when Dr. Peter Galvin went on television and said they're investigating me for taking vacations on taxpayer money, but I've never been on a vacation, and the Feds pulled up his wife's Facebook and had pictures of him in Italy and Spain, you know. I mean, it just makes it so easy. Why people would want to put themselves out, public officials I'm talking about, and put so much of their personal lives. You know, I tell people all the time, if you don't want anybody to read it, don't put it in writing. You know, and you don't have to explain what you didn't say. So just, you know, keep it to yourself when you do these crooked things. You don't have to spread it and let everybody know about it.
We overshare. And we live in a sharing society now where we have access to information. We also have something called ride sharing, where you have Uber and Lyft. We also have the internet where everybody can have a community. So we overshare, and it's so convenient. People engage in it without giving it a second thought, thinking that they are immune from any discovery.
And here's the other thing. I'm not a tech expert. People can tell you always, I'm like, I don't know how to use the internet. But the delete button is not an effective erasure of the record.
No,
Which was in there, right?
You can hit delete. Your only remedy is do not press send.
Right.
That's it. Because once you hit send and it's out there, it's in the internet and it's there forever. There's no deleting it.
That's exactly right. The mistake people make about delete, it deletes from that device, but not the server, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile.
And not really from your device, because you have a recent deleted folder. If you can find it, you know, the kids and all the things.
We're going to talk more about this coming up after the break. We're going to take a short break. A harsh critic of the mayor has been Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser. He's going to join us live here for all of us to talk with, coming up right after the break.